go. First order, got a McDonald's. This is $7 going 2.5 miles. You too. Hopefully my car's still there when I get back. Just got this Chick-fil-A. This one's gonna be $9.25 going 4.5 miles. Thank you. You too.
You don't have to tell me, but I'm just curious. Why do you do that?
Do what?
They both.
Just got this Sherry's order. This one is $10 and some change, going 5 miles.
Beverage.
Thank you. So as I was in there, I got an additional order for Starbucks. Only $4. I was assuming it was going to the same customer because the mileage was plus 0 feet. But turns out it is not. But I'm still picking it up because why not? There you are. Just got another Sherry's order. This one's $8 going 4.5 miles. Okay, that place is a lot busier than expected. So we are not gonna be waiting there anymore. Okay, we got another order right away. This is for McDonald's. This is $9 and some change, going 6.5 miles.
We're doing it right now. Okay.
Here we go, finally got a good order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $16 going 6.5 miles, only 2 items. Recently added. What? They can add items? Well, that's annoying. Let's get out of here quick before they add even more then.
We can start getting people over here.
You want to go ahead? I still need to grab one more thing.
Okay, thank you.
I'll go right after you though. Oh, that's 4 of these? Jesus. Okay, and then just scribble on that line for me. Next up, we've got, I think this is just an alcohol pickup, but it is $14.75 going 6 miles.
scan the back of your ID real quick?
And then just scribble on that line for me. Lucky me, it timed out, and now it's wanting me to redo that whole process of scanning their ID. And before I let you go, can you just double check the total compensation on that order? $15.69. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $9 and some change, going 3.5 miles. Ooh, this order is pretty good. Seize the bagel, $10.75, going less than 6 miles. I'll do that right after this.
Hey, welcome in. Wait, he even told me that you get a
Thank you.
Yeah.
Put her on the bench, please. Okay, I will put her on the bench. All right, I think I'm gonna call it here. It is getting hotty, and I'm not about it. Current time is 11:01. Current total is 86, and I think I have just one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably around 90-ish. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.